So you're trying to figure out how to make money self-publishing on Amazon. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 profitable ways where you can do exactly that. So you want to stick with me all the way to the end of this video so that you don't miss a thing. My name is Tamira Rashid, and with that being said, let's jump right into today's content. But before we dive in, I created a free self-publishing checklist for you to download that walks you step by step through the market research process behind writing your book, all the way through marketing and infusing marketing into your book cover, book titles, subtitles, and more. So don't miss that. The link is in the description below. Download your copy there, and let's dive right into our content. The first way that you can make money self-publishing on Amazon is with ebooks. Ebooks are electronic books, meaning that you don't have to print them. You don't have to store boxes of these books or worry about printing costs, because they are created using Google Docs or Open Office or Microsoft Word, some sort of word processing software. They fit specific formatting guidelines, and they have typically not a front and back cover, but just a front cover photo of your ebook cover. And these books are really, really easy to market. They are really easy to access. People can access them just with a link or a download, and very, very easy to market. You can market them by the thousands. So the second profitable way to make money self-publishing on Amazon is paperback books. Paperback books are probably what people know best. They create a book using the same techniques essentially as the ebook, but it has a front cover and a back cover and a spine, depending on how thick the book is. People typically will print a certain amount of these books and they will try to sell them one-on-one. In my opinion, selling paperback books one-on-one is pretty inefficient. It costs money in order for you to have the books printed, and then you can only reach so many people one-on-one. They are great though for speakers who want to have a product on the table. If you have a book after the event, you can sell sometimes dozens, even up to hundreds, depending on how big the event is and how much people like your presentation. They are also great for book signings, for virtual book tours. You can even do virtual book signings, and they're great for pre-orders as well. So if people are excited about your book launch, you can actually offer a signed copy of it for book tours and virtual book signings and in-person book signings. The third profitable way that you can make money self-publishing on Amazon is with audiobooks. Audiobooks are a way to listen to your book being read. So people, they tend to like to use time that they're not really doing much else, but it takes up a lot of time. So for example, like driving. When you're driving from one place to another, your commute can be a certain length of time, right? So it could be 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, depending on where you live in the country or in the world. Audiobooks are a great way to be able to get your reading in without having to sit down in a place and read. It actually allows you to be able to read no matter where you are. As long as you're stationary somewhere and you can listen, audiobooks are a great way to still get reading content in. So people love buying audiobooks, and they're a great option in terms of having the most amount of formats available for your book. The fourth way that you can be profitable making money self-publishing on Amazon is with clients. That's right. You can use your book as a funnel to bring clients into your world. I love using nonfiction books to help me tell my story, to help me express what my mission is, what my values are, and to provide transformation for people who read my books. So bringing in clients for your coaching, your consulting, entrepreneur program, is the fourth profitable way that you can make money self-publishing on Amazon. It's not just for the purchase of the book itself, but it actually leads your reader into where they can find you. You can capture their email address. You can send them other information about you. You can send them even emails that explain who you are, why you do what you do, and what services that you offer. Books are an excellent way to make sales and to find a targeted audience of people who are interested in what it is that you sell or the services that you provide. The fifth and final way that you can be profitable making money self-publishing on Amazon is by bringing in students. So students are people who purchase courses from you. You can use your book as the foundation for your course. You can use a book as a workbook for your course. You can use a book as some sort of companion to your course. It could even introduce those potential students to other aspects of working with you, which could be as a client as well. So you can choose any of these methods or all of them, depending on how far you want to go with your business or your service. I always recommend starting with your vision first, creating a vision for who it is that you want to be and what kind of quality of life that you want to have. And then build your books around who it is that you are and where it is that you want to go. I hope that this helps you. I love getting comments. Please leave me a comment below and let me know if this information was helpful to you and what you would like to see from me next.